Hello folks, this is Steve A.V. Came out to show you my first spring flowers. This purple flower is Persian Speedwell. Persian Speedwell. Oh, that fits in with Middle East right now. There's another Persian Speedwell and another. These are my spring flowers. I do Persian Speedwell every spring. The white ones are Stellaria. Now these, I think we can tell the winter's been hard on them because they're so small compared to what they usually are. Stellaria means star. So I have a mixture of Persian Speedwell just beginning and this Stellaria just beginning. Spring is here. Spring is here. I especially look for Persian Speedwell. Steve A.V. just loving nature. Saying see you in 73.